Welcome to this video on NEMA versus IEC frame standards. We'll be decoding the physical dimensions that govern the global interchangeability of electric motors. This video will focus on NEMA versus IEC frame standards, explaining the physical dimensions for electric motor interchangeability. Understanding the global standard gap between Imperial NEMA and Metric IEC is vital for industrial compatibility. The origins of standards differ. NEMA is Imperial, used primarily in North America, with dimensions in inches, favoring ruggedness. IEC is the global metric standard, used outside North America, with dimensions in millimeters for high international consistency. In NEMA frame naming, the first two digits of NEMA 145T divided by 4 give the shaft height. The third digit indicates the mounting hole length, and T indicates standard T-frame dimensions for high-torque motors. For IEC frame naming, like 90S, the number directly indicates the shaft height in millimeters. The letter indicates the frame length, S for short, M for medium, or L for long. This is highly intuitive for metric-based systems. When making a direct size comparison, note that while shaft heights may be close between NEMA and IEC equivalents, bolt patterns and shaft diameters often differ significantly. The rule of 4 feet is key for NEMA. Dividing the first two digits of the frame size by 4 instantly reveals the shaft height, or D dimension, in inches. For example, 14 divided by 4 equals 3.5 inches for a 145 T-frame. Mounting configurations include the foot mount, which usually requires adapter plates. C-face mounting uses a threaded hole pattern similar to B14 in IEC. D-flange mounting uses unthreaded holes, similar to B5 in IEC. This visual shows the shaft height growth in millimeters as power requirements increase across equivalent NEMA and IEC frame sizes. In the future of conversion, generative AI and the digital twin approach are being used to design universal adapter brackets. This optimizes for material strength and allows for seamless transitions between Imperial and Metric machinery in global supply chains. When transitioning, be sure to check the shaft diameter, keyway size, and conduit box location. Remember, frame standards describe size, not power, so always re-verify the nameplate for voltage and frequency.